Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix keeps crashing on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Erase all data. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your charger. After check charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so go to app library. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So last solution is reset all setting. Click on settings app. Click on system and reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. Please subscribe for more latest video. Thanks for watching.